So in this video, I'll show you how to perform skill theft in Where Winds Meet. Now, skill theft can be incredibly useful, especially if you want to steal, say for example, a mystic skill, or even just knowledge on how to use a weapon. So the first step you're going to do is simply just go ahead and open the menu and then select develop. And then go ahead and find the ability that you wish to steal. Now, in this instance, I'll show you how to steal a weapon. So go ahead and select abilities and then choose your weapons and scroll until you find a locked weapon. So say for example, you want to unlock the strategic sword. We're going to select obtain, and then it will tell you where exactly you're going to go in order for you to perform the skill theft. So go ahead and just navigate to that specific area. So once you've reached to the region or the area, you should see this dragon pillar. So go ahead and select investigate and then go through the conversation and then select, so this is the dragon pillar, and then use your dragon key to unlock the area. Once you've done that, you should be able to see that the location has been successfully unlocked. So now you just need to go in and go ahead and steal the skill. Bear in mind that you don't want to be seen by members of or enemies in the area. So you'll automatically be put in skill theft stealth, which allows you to go invisible. So you can currently see my player is invisible. And then you need to utilize wind sense to avoid the enemy's range. So go ahead and move around them. So here we have wind sense. You can see these red lines show the reach of that specific player and where they can sense you if they ever detect you in that area. So all you need to do is simply avoid that area and move around the person. Bear in mind you will be able to kill some players if you really need to, in order for you to move around easily without being caught or captured. So go ahead and keep doing that until you get to the area where it allows you to steal the skill. Again, you should be able to see it on your map, that book with the number of meters you have until you reach that specific point. So you can see there, I've been caught. So I'll be forced to return to the entrance until I get to the point where I can now steal the skill. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments about skill theft or anything else about Where Winds Meet, feel free to leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next video.